a dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
Hello my wonderful people, I welcome you back to my wonderful channel Reality Latest Gist. As I give you the back-to-back update and information as it is hot. So if today na your first time to join this wonderful channel, I beg may you like, subscribe and share. But don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop our videos, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trending and latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers and viewers, thank you so much for joining. Alright my wonderful people, I don't bring another matter come for on our table. The matter be say there are some factors that help Senator Mondo Obolo win the 2024 Edo State election, according to what APC they talk. Because una go remember say that election they be tag am as 3-horse race between Mondo Obolo the APC, Hasi Hodalo the PDP candidate, and Olumide Akpata the Labour Party candidate. My people, the matter, this gospel election never settle. Some katakata, some wuru still they emerge. My father is battle. Make I yarn on the full before INEC, the Independent National Electoral Commission, declares the winner of the 2024 Edo State governorship election. A video clip that circulated on social media showing police officers asking Governor Obaseki to leave the INEC Election Center in Mississippi was enough to indicate that all was not well with the People Democratic Party regarding the election, according to what APC talk. And so it was in the end on 22 September, INEC went ahead to declare Senator Mondo Obolo of the All Progressive Congress the election winner. The INEC declaration elicited several reactions, mainly from the Labour Party and the People Democratic Party, which they allege manipulation of results, among other things. So according to the results, Senator Mondo Obolo, the senator and a lawyer, defeated 17 other candidates in the poll, and he pulled out a number of 291,667 votes to defeat his closest challengers, the People Democratic Party Hodalo, who scored 247,274. The Labour Party candidate Olumide Akpata, who came a distant third with 22,763 votes. So the election was considered a 3-horse race between Obolo, Olumide Akpata and Hasi Hodalo. Meanwhile, my people, the PDP and the Labour Party has rejected the election outcome. The PDP leaders indicated that the party would challenge the result in court. They will not relent because there are some mago. There are some vigorous steps APC took during the election. So they are not going to accept the result that was declared by INEC. They are going to challenge it and recover their mandate. Although Senator Mondo Obolo was among the 3 leading candidates in the election, his victory came as a surprise to some of the Edo State indigents. The winning margin was also unexpected. Many people in Edo State didn't expect that at all. So now so many persons don't come highlight some factors wey be say na in favor Senator Mondo Obolo's emergency as governor-elect of the southern states. One of the cases wey be say they mention na the legal battle between Adams Oshiomhole and Philip Shaibu against Obaseki. My people, the election became a proxy battle between Governor Obaseki and his predecessor and estranged godfather Adams Oshiomhole, the senator representing Edo North Senatorial District, Mr. Adams Oshiomhole, backed up Senator Mondo Obolo, while Ihodalo had the backing of Governor Obaseki. So political analysts believe the election outcome was Mr. Adams Oshiomhole's political revenge against Obaseki. Adams Oshiomhole described the APC victory in election as very sweet. So beyond leading the APC campaign in the state, Adams Oshiomhole secured an overwhelming victory for his party. In the Edo North District, the party polled 130,684 votes in the district, while the PDP gained 76,959. So similarly, analysts said Governor Obaseki's rival, with his estranged deputy governor Philip Shaibu, must have also worked against the PDP chances in the election, especially in Edo North District. Philip Shaibu, who hailed from Sኢና West Council area in Edo State, got into Governor Obaseki bad book because of his ambition to succeed Obaseki as governor. So apparently, people are saying that Governor Obaseki masterminded Philip Shaibu impeachment by the Edo State House of Assembly, but they later sued the governor and the assembly and got the impeachment nullified by the court. Philip Shaibu withdrew from the governorship race because of the katakata when they get with Governor Obaseki, and he defected to the APC. and back the party candidate Senator Mondo Obolo, an eventual election winner. So in Philip Shaibu's S씬Àòng West local government area, APC Congo win with 32,107 votes, while PDP scored 17,483 votes. So Philip Shaibu and Adams Oshimole combined their effort to defeat the PDP in Edo North District, apparently as a revenge against their political enemies, Governor Godwin Obaseki. Not only that, my people, they couldn't even mention say Governor Godwin Obaseki political baggage too much, because he had a fight with Adams Oshimole and Philip Shaibu. So analysts believe say the PDP candidate Ihodalo went into the Edo state election carrying much of Governor Godwin Obaseki's political baggage. Among the baggage was Obaseki's refusal to inaugurate 40 members elected of the Edo House of Assembly from 2019 to 2023, and the governor's ill treatment of the deputy governor Philip Shaibu. So the governor's refusal to inaugurate the lawmakers elect was to prevent Adams Oshimole loyalists from taking control to the assembly. So findings suggested that most voters from the 14 constituencies voted against PDP. They voted against Governor Godwin Obaseki's PDP. So now we be say the analysts don't conduct their checks. In the checks they show say PDP lost to APC in 9 of the 14 constituencies. But in most of the 5 remaining constituencies where PDP won, the margins victory were insignificant. For example, in Ovia Southwest constituency, a local government area, the PDP polled 10,260 votes to defeat the APC, which had 10,150 votes. Already, the local government area has 2 such constituencies. The 2 constituencies were among the 9 in which the APC defeated the PDP, even though Governor Godwin Obaseki hails from the council area. So their people were very angry with Obaseki for refusing to swear in the 2 members elected from Eredo, Tosan Eti, an indigene of the Eredo local government council. So he went on to tell us that he knew it could be a factor in the PDP loss in his area, but he is not too sure. Because if you remember what Obaseki do, so when they reflect on that, and I make people come vote him out. Another of Governor Godwin Obaseki baggage was his feud with the Oba of Benin, Oba Eweriatu, over the then proposed return and storage of the 1,130 stolen artifacts belonging to the state. The governor and the Oba of Benin disagree over where the artifact would be housed. So why the Oba wanted the artifact kept in the Benin Royal Museum, which would be built within the palace, Obaseki insisted that they will be preserving the then proposed Edo Museum of West African Art. An Oba of Benin is both the tradition and the spiritual ruler of the Benin people, who occupy 7 of the 18 local government areas in the South state. So many believe the rifts with the reverend traditional ruler contributed to the PDP poor election performance. So many people will be say they reside in a local government council, don't come out and talk say Governor Godwin Obaseki's rifts with Oba of Benin played a role in Ihodalo's loss, but that will not be the main factor wey make Ihodalo lost his election. Many people they talk say the major thing be say some people they vex, some people they angry. They say Governor Godwin Obaseki did not perform well, especially with regard to infrastructure. Say he not perform well, so now be the main thing